Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all system gestures and motions on Honor X8. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then scroll down and find accessibility features, and right here we have shortcuts and gestures. First option is take a screenshot, and there's many different features here, and let's start with this one. So knock twice with the screen with a knuckle to take a screenshot. Make sure to enable all of this right here, and the screenshot was just made. We can move to the next one. Partial screenshot. So if we draw O with our knuckle, it should begin to make a partial screenshot, or actually you can draw a portion of the screen you want to make like that. And next feature is a scroll shot. Knock S and draw S to take scrolling a screenshot. And enable it right here. Now again. But we need a page that is able to scroll down, and this one doesn't have this feature, so let's move on. 3 fingers screenshot. Swipe 3 fingers down to take a screenshot. It should work like this. And that was the last screenshot. Let's go back and move to record screen. Here, if you knock twice, you'll be able to begin screen recording, just like that, and it begins automatically. You don't need to press start. Let's stop it for now and move to wake screen. Here you can enable raise to wake and double tap to wake, and if you raise your device, and it should turn on the screen. If you put it down, it should turn it off. And another one is double tap to wake, and if we double tap in empty space, it doesn't lock, but if we lock our phone and double tap, it wakes up. Last is mute ringtone, and if you enable it, you can flip your phone to mute incoming call. So place your phone upside down, or when you're handling it, then just put it down like that, and it should mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.